Okay, so I made a image classifier based off of everything that we actually talked about today, and I've trained it on a few different images that I took from videos, exactly like what we talked about doing. And so now I'm going to show it a few different images and different videos and see if it can classify them properly. So this is a first aid kit that it's never seen before. It's on just some website I found that reviews different first aid kits. So it's got that right with a 99% confidence interval. I'm going to pull up just a completely different video with a slightly different background. Let's see if we can get the same result. Okay. Yeah, so it's mostly getting first aid kit. And it's got, 60s, 70s, 80s, kind of depending on what else is in the frame there. Okay. I also looked up videos of different parts of a ship. And here, I don't know if I can find too many videos with these similar parts that look the same for demo purposes. But I'll use different sections of the video. So this is something I'm actually not even really sure what it's called. Just called it a spinner widget. Oh, there's the control panel. Control panel, control panel. Oh, it's getting panel there. But that can be improved. Let's see if they zoom out a little bit if we get spinner widget.